Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Channel. I'm Emily. How are you feeling today? Happy? Sleepy? Excited?
Hi, friends. I'm Paul, and I feel sleepy. I need coffee. A big coffee.
Of course you do, Paul. You always need coffee. Friends, today we have an easy, fun, and very useful topic for you.
Yes, super useful. You can use it every day. At home, at work, with friends, with strangers.
Exactly. Today we talk about the weather. Weather is simple English, but very powerful.
People always talk about the weather. In the elevator, at work, at the café. When I don't know what to say, I say, nice weather today?
And that is perfect, Paul. Talking about the weather helps you start a conversation. It is safe, it is easy, and everyone understands.
Even my dog Max understands. When it's sunny, Max is happy. When it's rainy, Max is very sad.
Aw, my cat Bella is the opposite. Rainy days? She sleeps all day.
Lucky Bella.
Friends, don't worry about mistakes today. This podcast is for beginner English. We speak slow, clear, and simple.
Yes, mistakes are okay. I make mistakes every day. Sometimes I even burn water.
And that's why we love you, Paul. Let's relax, have fun, and learn together. All right, let's get started. Today's topic is weather in simple English.
Weather. Sunny, rainy, hot, cold. Very small words. Very big power.
That's right. When you talk about the weather, you sound natural. You sound friendly. You sound more confident in English.
And you don't need big grammar. No long sentences. Just short, easy English.
In this episode, you will learn how to talk about the weather today, how to say how you feel about the weather, how to make small talk with simple sentences.
And we practice together. You listen. You repeat. You can talk to yourself. You can talk to your dog, like Max.
Yes, speak to yourself is perfect practice. Friends, before we continue, a small reminder.
If you like learning English in a fun and relaxed way, please like this video.
And subscribe to English Channel so you don't miss new episodes.
You can also share this podcast with a friend who is learning English. Learning together is more fun.
Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's move to the main part.
Get comfortable. Get your coffee. I already have mine.
Of course you do, Paul. Let's talk about the weather. Let's start very simple. Paul, tell me, how is the weather today?
Today is sunny?
Great. Friends, listen. It is sunny. Let's say it together. It is sunny.
Again. It is sunny.
Perfect. Some basic weather words are sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy.
I like sunny days. When it is sunny, I feel happy.
Good sentence, Paul. Friends, you can say, it is sunny today. It is rainy today.
Yesterday was rainy. I stayed at home. I ate pizza. I watched TV.
That sounds like a perfect rainy day. Bella loves rainy days. She sleeps and sleeps and sleeps.
Max hates rain. He looks at me like, Paul, why is the sky crying?
Now let's talk about temperature. Hot or cold?
I am very sensitive. A little cold? I complain. A little hot? I complain more.
Very relatable. Friends, listen. It is hot. It is cold. Say it with us.
It is hot. It is cold.
You can also say, it is very hot. It is very cold.
Today is very hot. I drink iced coffee.
Yes, Paul, please learn. I like cool weather, not hot, not cold, just nice.
Nice weather is a magic sentence. I say it all the time.
Exactly. Friends, repeat. The weather is nice today. Again, the weather is nice today. Now let's add feelings. Weather plus feeling equals natural English.
Oh, I like this part.
You can say, I like sunny days. I don't like rainy days. Very easy.
I don't like cold weather. My hands are cold. My nose is cold. My soul is cold.
Dramatic, but good English. Friends, try this. I like. I don't like.
I like warm weather. I don't like windy weather. Wind messes up my hair.
What hair, Paul?
Hey, that hurt. But true.
This is very important. We use weather for small talk.
Small talk is short talk. Easy talk. No pressure.
Example. I meet Paul at work. Hi, Paul. Nice weather today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Perfect. Short. Easy. Natural.
Another one. Wow, it's very hot today.
Yes, very hot. I need cold water.
Friends, you don't need perfect English. You need simple English.
Now, friends, let's practice. Pause the podcast if you want. Answer out loud. Question 1. How is the weather today?
Good job. Any answer is okay.
Question 2. Do you like this weather?
Even yes or no is great.
Remember, small steps, 10 to 15 minutes a day.
Make mistakes. Laugh. Learn.
And have fun. You're doing amazing. Wow, time flies. Let's do a quick review together.
Yes, short and sweet. Like my cooking. Actually, no. My cooking is not sweet. Or good.
Focus, Paul. Friends, today we learned simple weather English. Key sentences to remember. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is hot. It is cold. The weather is nice today.
Again, friends, the weather is nice today. Very useful. Use it again and again.
We also talked about feelings. I like sunny days. I don't like cold weather.
Simple sentences, but very natural English.
Now, some learning tips for you. Keep it simple. Practice every day, just 10 to 15 minutes.
Talk to yourself. Talk to your cat like Bella, or your dog like Max.
Don't fear mistakes. Mistakes mean you are learning.
If I fear mistakes, I cannot speak at all. So, mistakes are okay.
Be patient. Learning English is a journey.
And make it fun. Fun English stays in your head.
You are doing great. Really. Keep going. Wow, I can't believe it. Time really flies when we learn together.
Yes, maybe because I talk too much.
No, Paul, you did great today. Very clear, very honest, and very funny, as always.
Thank you, Emily. I learned a lot too. And I didn't burn water today. Big success.
Friends, thank you so much for spending your time with us. We hope this episode helps you feel more confident in English.
Simple English is good English. Small steps are big progress.
Before you go, a gentle reminder. If you enjoy this podcast, please like the video.
And subscribe to English channel for more easy, real-life English.
Now, your turn to practice. Please answer in the comments. How is the weather today where you live? Example, it is sunny and warm.
Or, it is rainy. I stay at home and drink coffee.
We love reading your comments. Don't be shy. Short answers are perfect.
Even one sentence is amazing.
All right, friends, take care. Keep practicing.
And don't forget, nice weather or bad weather, keep smiling.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.